Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make a Facebook group chat. Here are the steps to make a Facebook group chat on your mobile device. First is to open the Messenger app on your mobile phone. Tap the pencil icon or new message button at the top right corner. Then tap Group Chat. In the search field, start typing the names of the friends you want to include. Tap the check mark to add them to the group chat. Once you've added everyone, tap Next or Create Group Chat, depending on your Messenger version. A new group chat window will open automatically. Now tap on the name of the group chat. Tap the group name area at the top where the participant names are shown. Change name to give your group chat a custom name. Type your desired group name, for example, is Weekend Plans or Project Team, and tap Save to add a profile photo for the group. Tap the picture of your group chat, then choose Photo. Tap the info icon or group name again to access group settings. From here, you can add more members, mute notifications, or customize emojis and colors. Type your first message in the chat box and tap Send to start the conversation. Your new Facebook group chat is now active and all members can send messages, photos, and reactions. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.